Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I want to show you this stuff. It's the pink stuff. It's the Miracle Bathroom Foam Cleaner. And I just sprayed it, as you can see, down at the bottom of my shower. And I'm also going to use this because, see, I am not scrubbing. I am not going to get on my knees. I cannot anyway. So as an older person, we need something to help us scrub the bathroom down. So I just sprayed this, and now I'm going to turn it on. You see right here, turning it on, and this is what it does. It comes with other spinners, but at least I'm able to get in here and try to clean up my shower, the bottom of my shower, with both of these products. And try to get it as clean as I can get it. And I think that this spinner is really helping, because you still have to scrub. So I see the dirt coming off, which is good. It's from the dye in my hair when I wash my hair in the shower. I'm going to turn the water on. Okay, so I have some water coming in now. Kind of help rinse it away. But this thing is marvelous. This thing is marvelous. You keep it plugged up, and when I'm ready to use it, I can come and scrub anything I want to scrub with it. So here we go. And I think it really is cleaning up the bottom of my shower. So if you're looking for something to help clean up your bathroom, you can try both of these. And the link will be down in the bottom.